Today we're taking a look at the Vevor Model HD10 welding positioner. It's nicely packaged as per usual with anything coming from Vevor. It comes with a foot pedal switch and a power cord for 120 volt AC. These are the chuck key wrenches. Has a spanner style chuck key. The chuck capacity is from 1 millimeter to 63 millimeter, which is about 2 9/16 max diameter. This unit's just a simple plug and play. You got 2 plugs that you plug in and it's ready to go. It even has an emergency stop switch. Here's the on switch and the directional switch underneath of it. The speed control pedal is all metal construction. And it has a speed controller dial. It rotates from 1 RPM to 12 RPM max. And can be rotated 90 degrees. Here's a look at the brush and the spring that holds the brush in. It just clips into the frame. The horizontal capacity of this is 10 kilogram, hence the name, or 22 pounds. And the vertical capacity is 5 kilogram, or 11 pounds. The table diameter is 205 millimeter, or 8 inches 70 thousandths, which is about 8 1/16 diameter. And the table height is 220 millimeter, 8 660 thousandths, or 8 21/32. That's the distance from the chuck to the bottom of the table. The chuck just unscrews. And now you have a faceplate that you can attach fixtures to if you need. Just attach your ground lead of your welder or plasma cutter to this lead here, and it's rated for up to 80 amps.
on there, come around there to that hole. Take that, just put it in the hole, pull it toward you just slightly, and hold on to it. Unless you want to run it from this side where it controls.
There are lots of welding positioners available online, but all are very expensive. Even on eBay. If you go to Vevor's website, and enter this code, you'll get 5% off your purchase. Overall, I'm very happy with this welding positioner. It's a very good quality, and for the price that you can now get it for a limited time, it's a deal that can't be beat. A big thank you to Vevor for sending us this to review.